Hi guys, maybe you've noticed that I have this video series where I keep on updating a certain SSD. One of the SSDs is Arch, just Arch, and then Plasma, and then I keep on updating and updating. Last minus capital F shows you I've been doing that since, well, here's the kernel, 547, right, 2020. And now we're 2024 in May. It's also to debunk that you have to daily update, otherwise ArcoLinux will just explode in your face. It will not, right? So you can see, and then you can stop the video maybe at some point and say where the jumps are, but there are really jumps from 6 months in between, and it still works. All it requires is knowledge, maintenance. Like anything else, it needs to be updated. And we're gonna jump from May the 4th to May the 3rd, which is a small jump ever here. Here we jump from May to January, so that's much bigger. The only thing you need to have is knowledge, and then everything will be just fine. So we have the dbus Python and the Python dbus. Yes, it's the same thing, different name. So yes, we say, and it's 3 GB of updates. Now I'm not here for that particular reason. I'm not going to change or tweak anything. So this is the look that we have since last video. So each time while we're on here and update it, why not tweak it a little bit and change and rise? But I'm actually here to install several tools that we have. We have the ArcoLinux tweak tool that's going to be updated as I see it here. We have SoftwareM, and we'll have to see if that's installed. And I'm going to install all the dev versions. So SoftwareM needs to be installed. AAG or Glade, maybe, right? Not installed. So our apps do the work on Arch. Is the test basically, but maybe in the next video then we'll see. Because this is, of course, well, a lot of updates and essential stuff. KDE stuff, as you see here. So yes, you have to apply them. Everything with a K is basically Plasma, K and KDE, and the P from Plasma are packages that you have to look out for. Systemd, obviously, make init CPIO things, Linux kernels, all of those are triggers, are flags that you say, oops, I need to reboot, right? Apply the changes. So we'll split the video in 2 pieces. We're upgrading everything here, and it will be, if you don't, right, you'll see very strange things. Suddenly things are not working anymore because it's, right, it's an update. So we'll have to wait for that thing to finish. And I do follow it. So we don't update with Discover, don't update with pacman, I update with Terminal, and I follow. And gradually you learn these names and what's critical and what's not critical. And that's the fun thing, right? You get to know the interior of your operating system, the guts if you want. And then you decide, okay, don't want that, don't want this. And more you have knowledge, you get knowledge, and you say, all right, that package is cool, I want to have it, not those. All right. I see already a few I would like to get rid of, but that's the choice, the Lego blocks. Which one do you want to install? Which one will you remove, basically? That's a long one. Xterm. Time to take a sip then. DKMS modules. Often it's linked to NVIDIA, but this is not a machine that's linked. Well, that does not have a graphical card of NVIDIA, so no issues, no driver issues. But VirtualBox needs as well. I think VMware as well. So some of the apps require DKMS. Don't know what it is? Arch Wiki DKMS. So there we go. Let's stop the video here and make a second video, 1 out of 2 and 2 out of 2. All right.